CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbind and delete an NVR or DVR from your DMSS account and then also log out of that account. You may want to do this if you're having difficulty sharing access to another person, or if you're going to transfer ownership over to another person. Now, keep in mind that support is not transferable. However, we are making this video to show you how you can easily transfer ownership to another person by deleting and logging out of the account. So first, in order to make sure that this system is not bound to this account and I can add it either without account or to another account, I need to delete it from this account by tapping the three dots, either by the title or the other title here on the right-hand side of the app. So I'm going to tap on the top set of three dots. Then I need to go to device details at the bottom. And then in device details at the top, we can see the title of the NVR with an online status again. And then there's going to be a little arrow at the right-hand side. So if I tap on that, it's going to take me into some information about my NVR, including the P2P ID, in which case I need to go all the way to the bottom where there's a delete button, tap that delete button. And then of course it's going to ask me if I want to delete the device and clear the cloud service info, which I'm definitely going to want to do that. And then I'm going to want to tap the delete device option. So again, what this does is now unbinds that NVR. If you have a DVR, this would do the same for your DVR from this account that I'm logged into in DMSS. So now I need to also log out of the account by going to the Me tab. So I tapped on the Me tab at the bottom right-hand side of the app. And then once again, we see my username, E8031. You may have a username that you set or the automatically generated one. This happens to be automatically generated. Regardless, I need to tap on the arrow by my username. And then when I do that, it's going to bring up some information about my account. And now I need to log out of my account. You could also delete your account if you're no longer going to own the system or transfer it to another person. However, again, I'm just going to log out of my account. And it says, are you sure you want to log out? And now I'm going to tap OK. So now I am logged out of the app. If I go to my home page, I won't have any devices added to the app, and some of the features have gone away. But this allows me to freely add my system back to my app without it binding to an account. Or if I wanted to share my P2P ID with another person, it would also require them to not make an account either. But if you do add your system to an account, then you would have to manually share access to your system through the app and through your account. But again, just to recap, since I deleted that system from the account and logged out of the account, I could now freely add this to any phone I want by going to the plus button and selecting the scan QR code option. The full process is explained in our Dummies Guide on our website for adding an NVR or DVR to the app. Hopefully this video helps you log out of the account and delete access from the account. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.